You better like this video. You better like this video.
What the heck? Good morning, guys. Sorry, when I pressed record, my phone made this really weird sound. But anyways, we are off this morning. I'll have to speak a little bit louder. I was going to film off the actual camera, but all of the batteries are flat. We didn't charge them. Today's a special day, in case you couldn't tell by the title. Mr. Australian boy over here. Today is his citizenship ceremony. So he had his test like a couple of months ago. He passed it, and now you don't officially become a citizen until you attend the ceremony and get, what's the word? I was going to say betrothed, but that is completely wrong. You know, like, whatever. You guys get the gist. So we did not have a good night last night just because we have a really sick puppy who has diarrhea. Much better now. We've been taking great care of him. I went and bought him some probiotics, some medicine, and also the big one was walnut hull extract and also woodworm. He is doing much better right now. He had a solid poo this morning, not that you asked, but it's really worrying and stressful when you have a puppy who is going through diarrhea and it doesn't look like it's getting better, but he's finally getting better and we're really happy about it. So we're going to be off now. We're going to go on our way because it's probably going to be really peak traffic. I'll probably just do like, you know, a little bit of makeup in the car. Nothing too serious because it's not about me. It's about Mr. Australian over here.
Nothing about me. About God.
Oh, looking in now. We'll have to park a little bit further.
Scotty just got him a body.
Make a what? Make a love. Oh my gosh, it's an outlet hall, guys.
Good morning, how are you today? Becoming citizen today? So you're in C3.
Mr. Siaosi.
Scotty just got him a body.
Aussie. Wala sa usungan na enten. Well. Massive congrats to my guy over here for becoming an Aussie citizen. I got one thing to say to you, Aussie. Aussie.
Oi.
Koe usunga mai lana anthem lenga usukong o.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free.
Okay. Guys, I totally forgot to pick up the camera when we were there to show you guys the update. We were too busy taking photos. So you weren't allowed to take a photo with your like family that you came with at the front. They said immediately when it finishes, you have to leave immediately. You can't take photos in the front of the garden either. So we kind of did, but yeah, you're looking at Australia's newest citizen over here. Yeah, so it was pretty cool. I really enjoyed the Aboriginal cultural performance. Yeah. I thought that was really awesome, and just like his background, he was really good. Like, what do you call it? Speaker. Yeah. I really enjoyed his story and like his education on their culture, and and now we're going to go and have lunch with my parents. I called my parents and said, meet us at our cafe that we like to go to, and we'll celebrate Aussie citizenship. So, and one last thing also, because this was the last thing, you have to end off the citizenship ceremony with this. And Aussie's going to demonstrate what it was. Livy.
Australians,
Nice. Okay, guys, so we'll check back in with you guys once
Let me
we...
say something.
Oh.
I just want to thank to my wife over here for supporting me and for helping me through this time. Massive shout out to you, baby.
Oh, thank you.
For bring me through all these years, and now I'm a citizen, so thank you so much, baby.
All right, so
Appreciate
we gotta do his applications to go work for my work now.
I'm gonna go work to the office now.
He's gonna work for the public service.
Yeah, I'm gonna work for the government, you know. I'm be MC for that.
MC?
Yeah, MC for...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. Thank you so much, and thanks to everyone who support and watching us through all our videos and all our journey. So yeah, massive shout out.
Speechly on a red carpet or something.
So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. My wife's gonna shout me today.
Babe. Sorry guys, so yeah, it was pretty cool. Like the whole ceremony was pretty cool. I think the most annoying part is that like this calling up, because Aussie was like
so wait for
Aussie was like one of the first ones that went up, and then you literally have to wait until everybody goes up. So they call everyone one by one. And the guy who like emceed it, he was the speaker. His name was Sandy. He said to the presidency officer or presenting officer, I can't remember her title, but she came up and said that he had said to her just as they were waiting that he remembers his time getting his citizenship, which was 10 years prior, and she also gave it to him, presented him his citizenship 10 years ago. And I thought that was so cool. Or see, that could be you in like 10 years time.
So everyone who applied the citizen, I'm gonna do your ceremony.
Oh, okay.
Come and stand up. This time is a very good time for me. Last 20 years I was stand up and receive my citizen. So now I'm standing here and give you your citizen now.
Okay. Anyways, guys, we'll check in with you when we get there. We really want to stop by and pick up Bear, but Aussie doesn't want to. Yeah. Get him out of the house. He's just been locked in his crate because he hasn't been well, guys. But his poos are so much better lately. So I'll take him outside before we bring him. Just let him have a little pee and a poo before we take him. Guys, this is so much better. Honestly, I underestimated the quality of this camera. So much better. Audio's better, smoother. We got a little Bebe here. Come, Bebe. I gotta put his harness on.
She's solo moody shot all okay.
I brought him the upper just in case he's thirsty over there. Come, Bebe.
Why? Solo moody I think you're over.
Guys, meet Bebe. Say hi, Bebe. Guys, this is Bear, the newest addition to our fam. You want to say hi? He's a bit nervy. He's so adorable. He's an English bulldog, and he is 12 weeks in 2 days. Very, very clever. Oh, baby. His personality is very timid, very nervous, scared of like loud sounds and stuff. But hopefully he grows out of that as he gets older. He doesn't even want to look at you guys right now. Yeah. It's pretty windy. Oh, I thought they could share. It's pretty windy, guys. We got Bear down here. He's running amok. He's running amok down there. No. Hi, Wen.
Yeah.
Hi, Wen.
Hey.
hot. Hot. Mga usang ayaw ya. Usang ayaw ya. Hot. No, it's okay. Say hello, Will. Yeah. Do you want to give me a kissy?